Good afternoon. In the last 24 hours, Isaias has strengthened to a Category 1 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. To ensure the state's fully prepared for impact, I just signed an executive order to declare a state of emergency in every coastal county up Florida's east coast from Miami-Dade to Nassau counties. While current projections have the eye of Isaias remaining at sea, the situation remains fluid and can change quickly. And in fact, the 11 p.m. Advisory from the National Hurricane Center did move the eye slightly closer to Florida's coast. The Division of Emergency Management has had the State Operations Center at level 1 since March, allowing them to actively plan for hurricane season even while responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Very early on, the division created a PPE reserve for hurricane season. Right now on hand, they have 20 million masks, 22 million gloves, 10 million gowns, 1.6 million face shields, 270,000 coveralls, and 20,000 thermometers. Additionally, at my direction, the division purchased 50 generators to make sure we can remain nimble in the case of power outages. This is the most generators that the state has ever had on hand. Furthermore, the Agency for Healthcare Administration has ensured that 100% of our nursing homes and 100% of our assisted living facilities in the state of Florida have working generators on site. Finally, while we do not currently believe shelters will be necessary for this storm, we will be ready if they do become necessary. The division created new and detailed shelter guidance for all counties in light of COVID-19 and has prepared shelter kits with hand sanitizer, masks, and gloves ready to be deployed on request.